Welcome to another unboxing of another wonderful Deltec product. This is a 24 volt battery or 25.6 volt, 100 ampere hour, 2.56 kilowatt hour battery. Lithium iron phosphate, one of the new products in Deltec's range, nicely boxed. That will open up and see what's inside. If we open the box, we've got a cover on top, we've got a protective coating there. Again, we've got nice little rubber covers for the poles and the nuts and bolts you need to fasten everything to the battery. And now inside we have the battery lined with a double box, nicely protected, and now we'll remove the battery. Okay, now out of the packaging, you'll see it's also wrapped in plastic to assist for dust and any moisture in transport as well. It comes with handles, easier to carry. Better for two people to carry the product than one. It weighs 25 kilograms, so one person can carry it. This is 24 volt nominal voltage or 25 volt nominal voltage because it's a lithium iron phosphate. Benefits of this battery is there's a lot of little 24 volt installations out there that need a 24 volt supply, and this battery has got a BMS built in it which balances the cells, so there's no you don't need any other equipment for the 24 volt supply. It'll balance itself, it'll look after itself, it'll protect itself. The specifications on the spec sheet. It has a maximum continuous discharge current of 100 amps, so it's a C1 battery, which is beneficial, and it'll work lovely in small little power supply installations, inverter installations, with no requirements for extra balancing equipment. So it's a lovely product. It can save somebody a lot of money in installation, and that's it, the Deltec 25.6 volt 100 ampere hour battery.